Today I'm going to show you how to change a bicycle tire. We're going to use these fat tire bike tires, 4-inch tires, to show you in large scale what it would be like. Step 1, you're going to release the air in the tire. Simply release the air by pressing on the press to valve until the air is gone. Step 2, remove the bead. You're going to push down on the side of the tire to break the seal that happens between the tire and the rim. And by doing this, it's going to make it very easy to come off afterwards. You're going to push it down and flip it over. And push down on the other side until the seal is off the rim. Step 3, you're going to remove the tire. Use a tire lever to pry down and get at the first edge and pull along the rim like so until the tire is off. Sometimes you need 2 tire levers, one that holds the bead out while you use the other to get the rest of it off. Now look for the air valve and unscrew the base to allow the tube to be free of the rim. Now you can remove the tire from the rim. Step 4, insert the tube. It's best to inflate partially the tube before putting it inside the tire. This makes it easy to go into the tire. Step 5, mount the tire. Essentially what you want to do is get the tire on the rim. However, you have to pay attention to the direction. So in a front tire, you want the, let's call them arrows, pointing away from the rider. This allows for good braking traction in the front wheel. For the rear tire, you want the opposite. You want the arrows facing towards the back, again away from the rider. This allows for better traction while pedaling. Think of it as a scooping action. Once you decide which way it needs to go, make sure you put the rim and tire in there. Start with the first bead, which is usually the easiest. Align the air valve with the hole in the rim. And now you may put the valve back into the rim. And now begin to seed the second bead with your thumbs. Try to be even along the rim on both sides. And when you get to the end, use your tire lever to drop it in place. Holding firmly on one end so that you don't lose what you've started. Step 6, inflate the tire. You're going to add your pump to the valve stem, lock it in place, and pump away. Tire pressure varies from tire to tire and rider preference. Check to make sure that the beads have settled in before inflating to full capacity. check for firmness, remove the pump, screw in the Presta valve, and your tire has been replaced. Congratulations.